In front of me is NOTHING CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app that's already on your device and clicking on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To discard it right away, hit this X at the top left corner, and to end it and save it, hit Save at the bottom right one. Now name it however you wish to, and tap on Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. To edit it, use all of those options and those three dots at the top right corner. You can also hold it on the list and use all of those at the top right corner, like share, delete, or by tapping on those three dots, rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!